Welcome to TechWords with Damari. In this video, we are going to learn about a facet or facet operator. This facet operator returns a set of tables, one for each specified column. Each table specifies a list of values taken by its column. An additional table can be created by using a with clause. So let's go ahead and take a look what exactly it means. So now here I have a table called the total sale. Let's execute this query. We are just returning all the record from the total sale table. You can see that it has 13 records and has multiple columns, the salesperson first name, last name, and all that. Now if I will say pipe sign, facet, by, and salesperson first name, salesperson last name, and product name, what's going to happen is going to create three tables for me. It's going to create one table with the salesperson first name, another table it will be creating with the salesperson last name, and then it will create another table with the product name. Now remember here we have some duplicate records. So we are selling TV multiple times here. So what's going to happen is going to show you TV for the third table and also show you the count of those records. See right here TV is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So let's go ahead and execute with the facet by and see what it returns. See right here it returns us the first facet for the salesperson first name. So all the first names are here, and if they occurred twice in our table, it's going to show us there. Now salesperson last name, see right there, that's what happened right there as well. So Roger and Shehzad occurred twice in this table. Now go to the product table, that's the third facet here, and see right there we have cell phone twice, 3 times, and TV 5, and we counted before even we execute this query. Now if we wanted to create another facet or table here, that can be done with by using a with clause. So see right there, if I will just simply execute this total sale table and with facet by product name, salesperson first last name, it is going to return me two facets. One, the product name. So see right there, the product names are here and their count is right there. So see right there, it says count underscore product name. Then I can go to the next one and it's going to return me salesperson last name and then the count of those names. Now if I would like to add another facet and see what's that I'm saying where region is equal to Asia and take only 2 records. So that's what my query is. So it's going to create a third facet that's going to be something like this. So I'm going to show you. Take this query right here. So and then it's going to be something like this. So let me take this from here, where we will say where this guy. Okay, so that's whatever you put in the where clause. See right, sorry, wherever with the with clause, what you put here, this filter will be implemented on this table and these records will be shown. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. So it's going to return us 3 facets. So one, this is our facet for product name. So let's click right there. So product name you see right there. Then we have salesperson last name facet right there, and see right there. And then the third one is a call table one. So see right there, this is for this part of it. So it only got 2 records for us from the total sale, where region is Asia. You can see right there, and there are only 2 records though, so we are taking only 2 records. If I can take 3, so it's gonna create 3 records for us. So see right there, now you have 3 records. So you can put filter whatever you want with the and create a separate table. This can be helpful for analysis and especially if you are writing some queries for the reporting and all that, you can go ahead and use this feature. And I hope this feature or video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.